god, look at the art that they have here in the hallway and here. Oh, it's so nice. It's super duper duper nice. Ooh. Hi guys! So we just got here in our hotel and I'm gonna show you, and I'm gonna give you rather a quick room tour of our hotel room. It is so nice. I am so amazed. And even the hallway. So I'm gonna show you first the hallway, then we're gonna go inside. Okay. Wait, I'm gonna show you. Okay, I'm not gonna show you which hotel number are we in, but look at this. Lead singer, position band. Okay, I'm gonna go here because I'm a lead singer. Kidding. Okay, here. Okay, here's a room. Ooh, wow.
Welcome.
Hello.
Please come in.
Okay, thank you for letting me in. Oh my god. So first, I'm gonna show you our bathroom. Oh my gosh. There's like a statement. It's about singers and blah blah blah. Okay, and you can actually change the temperature if you want it to be hot and cold, and change it if you don't want this kind of shower. You can have wait, do not. Okay, so I closed the door because I don't want to get wet, but you can see from the ceiling it's gonna go down and turn it off. Yes. And you have like this thing, like whatever is saying, and that is. And when you go here, they have the vanity mirror. Hi, Tom. Hello. And they have towels, of course, a blower, and let's move on to the CR. So this door here is a CR, so it's quite spacious actually. It's a toilet. See, it's a toilet. Their toilet is not automatic like the one we had in Vietnam, but it's quite good. And you see here, when you go outside, we have this. Okay, that's our luggage, do not mind it. And they gave us free coffees, like here. I think they were eco-friendly. Anyways, you do it now. They have a vault, and is this a ref? Ooh, they have something.
It's okay. Alright, let's go.
In a while. Oh, you get 20%, 25% discount. Oh god. 25% discount on your first drink at the bar and maybe 25 new friends. Interesting. Okay, let's go there and get 25%. Oh, they have mojito as their, can you see it? Brand thing. And they gave us a water with earth inside. Actually, there's a lot of parking. Everything is like, they're like eco-friendly. Tom's telling me to end it now. Okay. And we got this. Ooh! Love, we have a mat for exercising. Maybe it's a sign for us to exercise here. No, thanks. We're here to eat and to have fun. We got here. Look at our bed. Yes, that is our bed over there with this girl staring at you when you go in. It's creepy. Anyways, and our TV, and you know, they even provided us your own speaker. Like, I don't know what's the brand of this one. What's the brand? Anyways, it's this one, and here is how you use it, and there's a lot of lights, and they even have this. So when you put a speaker, this entire thing will produce the sound like this. Oh my god, we're gonna try it in a while.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Sound absorbing.
Yes, it's nice. Oh, hi Tom, you're there. Kidding. And look at this part. Hold it for me, please. Take a nice angle. Look. We have this. Oh, God. So nice. And look at the view. we have the view of, I think that is a mall. Show them. Come here. Look at our bed. Look at our bed. Okay. And here, everywhere you got like a portable, what do you call it? Outlet thing. Yes, can they see it? Is it too dark?
It's a bit dark.
Yeah, I know. It's actually the light, because they have few lights. And look over there. See, it's so nice. Isn't it nice? And I really hope that they have a pool. If they have a pool, this is going to be so amazing. I'm not sponsored by this hotel to to give a review about them, but I just did because it's so nice. And yeah, that's it. We're gonna go. Okay, we have to take a shower and we have to eat because we just got here and Tom's holding the camera and he's moving around showing you everything.
You didn't show the...
Oh yeah, they have cool closet. Which one? Oh,
nice closet.
let me do it. They haven't seen it. Go away for a while.
You have to cut the portal.
I do not want to cut it anymore.
You have to cut some
Then
parts.
you should have paused it. Look. It's like the volume is ductile.
Come inside.
Ooh, everything. Ooh, amazing. Put it louder. A. See, you can hear it. Okay, can you end it now, please? Okay. And on this side where you've seen Tommy, yes, that is that is where he is sleeping. Not on the bed. He's sleeping there tonight. And look at our view. Isn't it nice?
I know it's nice.
No, you're not the nice view, Tom. This view is nice. And it's like a long couch where you can actually sleep on it. Everything is nice. You know guys, Tom just did this to the light and it gave the room so much light more. I should have thought about it. Anyways, I didn't know, and that girl over there is staring at us. Okay, so the name of our hotel is Jazz Hotel. I do not know where is it exactly located. I'm just gonna put it somewhere here, the exact location of this hotel. And I am not sponsored to do this. I just did this quick hotel room tour because it is so nice. Even the girl here at the back, it's so nice, and especially this part, I love it with the speaker. Yeah, and the absorbing wall thing. Yes, and we are actually near the arena. The arena was just somewhere there. Yes, and Tom is having his best day of his life.
Yes. Yeah.
He loved this position, like this one. It's actually super comfy to stay here. Anyways, that's it. And I'm really in love with this hotel. We paid only 150 euro for 2 nights in this hotel. And it's pretty cheap because a hotel rate here in Amsterdam ranges from 100 to up. But if you go downtown, like downtown near the central station, it's gonna cost you like around 200. So it depends actually where you're gonna book one. So it's better to just choose somewhere not so near, so you won't be paying a lot, but also choose a hotel which is comfy. Okay, I'm not promoting this hotel and I am not sponsored, and Tom is getting annoyed. Anyways, that's it for this vlog, and I will be posting soon a vlog about our day here in Amsterdam. I'm gonna upload it right after I upload this vlog, so this vlog will come first before that. And I guess that's it for this vlog. So bye!